Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I want to talk to you about the Tusk Fuel Pump Module kits. If the fuel pump on your ATV, your UTV, or your motorcycle has gone bad, Tusk has a lot of these for a lot of different makes and models. And the best part about these is that they're at a great price point, much more affordable than just rebuilding and replacing your OEM fuel pump. And the great thing about these too is that it's a complete fuel pump module. It's not a rebuild kit, so to replace these or to install these, you're just going to take off the fuel pump module on your machine now, bolt this one on, plug it in, you're good to go. So there's no rebuilding. You don't have to do any soldering. It's a very simple process to replace it, and then you're back out there having a good time. And like I said, the quality on these is very good, very affordable price point. So for your dirt bike, your ATV, or your UTV, if you need to replace your fuel pump module for any reason, Tusk has you covered. So if you do have questions, comments though about these, please make sure to leave those down below. To grab one, to see if we have one for your bike, ATV, or UTV, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And on the product page for the fuel pump module, just enter the year, make, and model of what it is you have, and that will show you if we carry one for you specifically. We do have some how-to videos also that show how to replace a fuel pump module, so be sure to check those out. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And to always stay up to date on new products like this, please, if you haven't yet, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, and you'll always be ready to rock and roll. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.